I'm Jess from Decoist, and today I'm going to show you how to make DIY Winter Wonderland centerpieces. Let's do this. For this project, you will need some clipped evergreen branches, fairy lights and a candle, twine, pine cones, some Christmas ornaments, a roll of burlap, a vase, and some household flour. I'm using a wide cylinder vase. These vases are great to work with when it comes to decorating. I'm going to show you this really easy layering technique. We're going to start by using our fairy lights. We'll open those and find the end. Take the end, wrap it around your hand once or twice, and then set that gently in the bottom of the vase. Next, we're going to use some pine cones and some of the Christmas decorations and start layering them to add some weight over the fairy lights. This will help keep the fairy lights in place. Got my first layer down, and I'm going to keep weaning in the fairy lights in a circular motion. Once you've made it around a full circle, add another layer of the pine cones and Christmas ornaments. And there you have it, a really elegant Christmas display. Now I'm going to show you how to make another using a candle. For this vase, I'm going to use the rest of my supplies. I'm going to put the candle in the center of the vase. Next, use your evergreen clippings to place around the candle. They add a nice touch and they have an awesome aroma. Taking another piece and repeating the same process. And you're going to keep doing this until you reach about halfway to 3/4 up the vase. Now it's time to take some pine cones and just place them around and fill some of the empty places. We're going to take our burlap and cut off a piece long enough to reach all the way around the vase. I folded my burlap down halfway so that we're still able to see the evergreen. And now we're going to take our twine and cut off another piece that will wrap all the way around the vase. Starting from the back, I'm going to wrap it around the burlap and tie a little bow. Okay, final step. I'm going to take my flour and use a spoon and just sprinkle it around the evergreen to give it a really nice fake snow effect. And there you have it, another elegant Christmas vase. Now let's go put this in the living room. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and leave a comment to let us know which DIY video you'd like to see next.